to Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, and all teachers and all my dear friends gathered here in KBW campus. My name is Priyanka Singh and I am from Mathematics Department. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on Independence Day. Since 1947, we celebrate Independence Day. So I don't think any one of you present over here don't know what is Independence Day. British colonized over India, bloodshed movements, many lost their lives, revolts, protests, and many more. And finally, India gained freedom on 15th of August 1947. See, I know it's not as easy as I'm saying it, but still, want to discuss here something today which is easily available on Google and Wikipedia. Because hello, it's modern era. Here, we celebrate Independence Day differently. Let me show you how. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let me take a beautiful picture of myself with the caption of hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating Independence Day, hashtag I love India forever, hashtag proud to be an Indian, hashtag, hashtag and hashtag. And with many such trendy hashtags, Independence Day gone. This is what most people do on Independence Day. Many people might be on their offices, on the roads, in the schools, colleges, and many more places. But as soon as the Independence Day gone, their so-called nationalism gone. It's quite funnier because we take care of our parents every day. Our parents take care of us every day. But to care for our mother India, we just have 3 days. Independence Day, Republic Day and Earth Day. Is it fair? Is it fair? And we proudly say, we love our motherhood, we love our motherland, we love India. Is it fair? Friends, as you all know that we all have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day, which is supposed to be celebrated when one is truly independent. But honestly, I don't think any one of you present over here is truly independent. Ask me why? Let me tell you why. You all have gathered to celebrate independence as you all think that you all are truly independent. But my friends, you all are bounded deep inside with your negative thoughts. You all are bounded by log kya kahenge. We still live in a society where the birth of a girl is accepted, but the boy is celebrated. What good is this independence if a child still sleeps with hunger and he cries with hunger? What good is this independence when a girl still fears to walk on roads at nights? What good is this independence where the justice is made by power and the power comes from money? What good is this independence if we are not able to make any effort? What good is this independence? Friends, today I am here not just to say a few words on the behalf of Independence Day, but to awaken in you the burning desire of fire and freedom. Friends, this freedom has been achieved by great struggles of our forefathers, our freedom fighters. Let's not waste it. I only want you all to contribute in the development of our country, be it in any form. As students, as we college students, can contribute to the development of our country by not supporting any of the bad practices, any of the illegal practices, any of the bad efforts. By doing this small effort, we can contribute a lot to our country. And at last, I want to conclude my speech with the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, which is, be the change you want to see in the world. If you want to change the world, let's start with yourself. Thank you. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Let's not waste, let's not go in vain your effort. Let's celebrate this Independence Day with joy and efforts. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.
बहुत बढ़िया प्रियंका। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। अब पूजा और कृति अपने